Welcome back to Wakaby. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for transforming tiny interiors with multifunctional furniture and elegant fabrics. Stick around as we explore innovative solutions for every nook and cranny of your home. And wait until you see the twist at the end that will change how you think about small spaces. First up, let's kick things off with the entryway. Imagine stepping into a space that perfectly balances rustic charm with modern flair. Moving into the living room, we're focusing on maximizing comfort in compact spaces. Envision a modular sofa with built-in storage, a foldable coffee table, and floating shelves to keep things organized. Next, let's transform that small kitchen into a culinary haven. Think vertical storage with wall-mounted racks reaching up to the ceiling, compact multifunctional appliances, and a fold-down table. Light-colored cabinetry and reflective surfaces make the kitchen feel larger. In our dining area, we're all about compact dining solutions. Imagine a drop-leaf table that expands when needed, stackable chairs, and a built-in bench. Transforming a small bedroom requires smart design. Picture a bed with built-in drawers or a lofted design, wall-mounted nightstands, and floating shelves. Let's get productive with a compact home office. Visualize a space-efficient desk with built-in storage, wall-mounted organizers, and a comfortable chair. Small bathrooms can be stylish and functional with space-saving fixtures. Think pedestal sinks, vertical storage, and light-colored tiles. Organizing a small closet is key to a clutter-free home. Imagine adjustable shelving, clear bins, and built-in racks. Transform a small balcony into a cozy retreat with foldable furniture, potted plants, and a weather-resistant storage box. And the twist? Discover how to turn your balcony into a charming oasis with a clever DIY hack. A narrow hallway can be both functional and stylish. Think floating shelves, a narrow console table, and wall-mounted hooks. The twist here, we'll reveal a design trick to make your hallway look much wider and more inviting. Design a small nursery with a crib featuring built-in storage, wall-mounted shelves, and a foldable rocking chair. And here's the twist, we'll show you how to create a magical space for your little one with a simple yet transformative addition. In a small utility room, use wall-mounted shelves, a compact washer-dryer combo, and clear bins for organization. Make your guest room welcoming with a Murphy bed or sofa bed, multifunctional furniture, and cozy textiles. Maximize storage with innovative solutions like underbed containers, built-in storage, and over-the-door organizers. Finally, transform your small patio into an outdoor haven with versatile furniture, potted plants, and a weather-resistant storage box. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these small space design tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Wakaby for more creative ideas. And hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. See you next time for more home transformation magic.